opening statements are such an important part of the mediation, but it's crucial to get your opening statement right. So the first piece of advice I would like to offer you is try as best as you can to avoid reading verbatim your opening statement. Why? Well, because it sounds a little bit stilted. You can also see the eye movement occasionally as a judge when you're looking at somebody who is delivering their opening statement. And thirdly, it gets in the way sometimes of getting a sense of the authenticity of the party delivering the opening statement. Try and avoid reading your opening statement, but do make sure that in your opening statement you include the following information. Set out your position. Very important. It's a dispute after all. But also focus on your interests and specifically your goals for the mediation. Make them explicit so the other side have absolute clarity over what you are hoping to achieve as a desirable outcome from the mediation itself. And also, you'll be helping the mediator, because the mediator can then summarize back, reflect back in a very clear way their understanding of your interests and goals for the mediation.